Hi everyone, if you have ever created a larger website with a lot of custom JavaScript functionalities and code, you know how messy your code can be when it's added directly in Webflow. It's very hard to navigate and edit custom code in that environment. It would be much better if you could change your code locally in your editor and automatically deploy it to your Webflow project. So today I'm going to show you two simple ways how you can host JavaScript code for a Webflow project for free. And that will allow you to edit and organize it better. So let's go. The entire point of this is to write your whole JavaScript in your nice code editor. So you don't need to write it in the Webflow environment where everything is small and unorganized. So here I'm using PHP Storm. You can use Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Notepad, whatever you want and like. My preference is PHP Storm, so my code, JavaScript code is here. I have created custom.javascript file where I put a bunch of this code. It's like nonsense code, just creating some HTML elements just for demonstration of this. First I'm going to show you some not that good option. It could be good in some situations, but in most it won't, but it might be useful for some of you. So we have the code here, and here in Webflow I created a brand new website, so it's a completely blank project. And I would like to include my JavaScript code here. So instead of just pasting the code here in the homepage settings at the bottom, I'm actually going to include the file here. And that would make this area of my project much more organized. So let's go to the assets here and let's upload my JavaScript file. We go to desktop. Here is my project and here is my file. So I'm not able to upload .js files. That's not allowed in Webflow. But what we can do is go back to editor and rename the file. And instead of .js, I'm going to write .txt. So now my file is called .txt, but I lost the highlighting and all good things about code editor here. But we're going to fix that. We go back, we upload the file. And now the file is uploaded, it's just .txt. We click here and copy link. And now we can go back to page settings, or you can do it in the site settings right here, or wherever you need this code. So we scroll down, and here we are going to type script, type text JavaScript. I'm going to close this, and here source equals, and under quotation marks we are going to paste the code, paste the link that we copied. And this is the link to our custom text file. So when I save this, as you can see, we don't have anything here, but when I publish, this JavaScript code is going to generate some HTML and some page structure. Let me open the website and see. So this is added by my JavaScript. If we inspect and go to console, you see it says JS run. And that's exactly what we have here. So if you want to continue to edit this code, to update the code and then upload it back, you will need to rename it again. So you can better write it and now do updates and then rename it back to txt and upload it again. And when you upload it again, you would need to copy new URL. So you will need to go to copy link and to page settings and then replace this URL here. As you can see, this is not a great option, so it's better than just pasting the code here. So if we grab everything and paste it here, I don't like it. I mean, you would need to add the script tags anyway, but like this. But what if we have like hundreds of lines of code? We have just 50 for now. And this is also not maintainable at all. It's very hard to edit code here and make changes. There is no proper autocomplete or anything. So let me show the best way, the way that we do things. It's really simple and easy. So first thing you need to do is go to GitHub. You could do this on GitLab or Bitbucket, whatever you like the most. So here I'm going to do it on GitHub. We go to new, so we need to create our repository. And here is proposed name, so I'm going to just name it like this. We don't need to change anything here, we just click create repository. Okay, great, so we just copied this, copy the URL and open the terminal. I'm going to navigate to desktop and then do git clone and then paste this. If you're on macOS or Linux, you're going to have Git already installed, but if you're on Windows, you will need to install Git. Do your own research if you don't know how to do it. It's pretty easy. Now we are cloning the repository. Okay, so this is cloned, and now we are going to see a new folder here on desktop. What I'm going to do is actually copy this customjs, copy here, and I'm going to paste it inside the repository that we created. And now when I go to repository like this, if I type in git status, you see it says that we added new file here. And when we add a file, we need to push it, meaning that we need to upload it online to the git repository. So git add, git commit. We leave a message, you can type whatever you want here. And git push origin main. Oh, I actually have a different account connected to my terminal, so I will need to solve that now, but you won't have this problem. Okay, I just solved it, so let's repeat the command, git push origin main, and that should work now. Okay, it worked. Let's go back to the Chrome and see the repository. When you refresh, you're going to have this one. So you will be able to see your file here uploaded. If we open this one, you see here is my code. And if I want to change something in this file, or let's say we are going to write something here, we go back to our code editor, jsrun via git repo, let's say. And now we need to push it again. So we start with the first command, git add, git commit, and git push origin main. Oh, sorry, I changed the file from the wrong directory. So this is test.js, I need to open my git repository. So this is super potato. So open the file, yeah, you see, via git repo. Okay, and now we can push. Git add, git commit, and git push origin main. Okay, now my file is pushed. Let's go back to the Chrome. Let's refresh this page. And see, the code is changed. Now we need to connect this GitHub repository to our Webflow website. And when we push the code, that everything is going to be automatically updated on our website. So for that, you will need to register your account to Cloudflare. So the process is very easy. So I already have my account registered. Now we go here to workers and pages. We click create and then click pages. And here we click connect to Git. I have some accounts here already connected, so you will be prompted to add new account. I'm going just to click here, add account. Here I continue to this account, here is my code repository. And then here you can allow for Cloudflare to see all of your repositories, and you can allow it just to see some repositories that you select. I'm going to allow it to see all repositories. Click install and authorize. And there it is. Now Cloudflare listed all the repositories that I have at that account. And I'm going to pick the one that we recently created. It's super potato. Click here. When that one is marked, we can scroll down a bit and click begin setup. Here we select the main branch, so this is the only branch that we actually have. Scroll down. Yeah, that's all good. We go save and deploy. We just need to wait a bit here, it will be quick. Okay, this is done. We just click continue to project. And here is our website. We can click visit here. And of course we are getting this site can't be reached because there is no file associated directly to this URL, but we need to add /custom.js. This is not working. Let me check why. Okay, super potato, customjs. Okay, let's go back just to check what is going on here. Or you just need to wait a bit. So now it's working. We can copy this URL, go to the Webflow, and here just type script, close it, and then source, and then paste the URL. Now we can save this and we can publish, open the website, and see, it's working. And now if we want to make a change, we don't need to go through this whole process. We can just make a change and push it, and that's it. We can just close this and then go back to the editor. Let me say I want to alert welcome my website, and I'm going to push this one, git add, git commit, and git push origin main. Okay, we go back to the website, we refresh a few times just to make sure that everything is deployed. So sometimes we need to wait a bit for things to get deployed to the Cloudflare. And there it is. Welcome to my website. We can now remove that like this, go back to terminal and just push it again. Oops. Git add, git commit, you can change the message, and git push origin main. So let's see how much time it will need to deploy. It takes like 10-15 seconds or something like that. So you just frequently refresh and you will see the change. And there it is. I'm refreshing and there is no pop-up appearing. If you want to create another JavaScript file and push it, you can do that too. So you just create a file, let's say it's called script or app.js. No, we add a code here, some code, and then we just push it. Go through the same process, git add. Okay, let's change the message. Git push origin main. So that's deployed. Let's go back to the website. Now we open the Webflow, we go to the page settings or wherever you want to add your code. We copy this and just add app.js, save, publish. We go to the website, refresh. Let's see if this is added. I'm going to check the source code. So right click, view page source code, or just use the shortcut. So here is mine. Super potato app.js, so this is added, so code is minified, so this is why we see it like this. And here is customjs. And let's see if we click here, if we are going to see that comment that we added. So there it is. And that's it for this video. See you in the next.